Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to ban someone, in this case specifically a spammer slash scammer inside of your Discord server. So when I logged in this morning, there's a bunch of messages here in different channels that said one message hidden, likely spammer. When you show it, it's a compromised Discord account that's offering a scam link that'll try to give you a virus if you click on it for a $50 Steam gift card. Obviously, if you see something like this, no one's giving away $50 Steam gift cards for free. That's automatically a scam no matter who's doing it. But what you can do is we can report this. We can right-click this, and then we can report it. Actually, let's report the message. Let's right-click the message, and let's report this message. And then we can say it's spam, and then we can submit that report so that Steam can verify that this is a spammer. And then once I've done that, I can right-click their username, and then I can ban or kick them from my server as is appropriate. You also have the option to time them out. Timing them out just makes it so they can't post for a while. So like if your friend's being an a-hole and you just want to put them in the corner for a little bit, you can time them out for a certain amount of time. But in this case, I want to actually ban this person. And this will open up the ban window. And I'll say the reason why I'm banning them is they're a spam account. This just allows Discord to know why you're banning a certain person from Discord. So if it happens a lot, they can delete this account and ban them from the platform. And I'm going to delete all of his messages, this person's messages, from the past 7 days, just to make sure that if they have been doing this a lot, all of their messages will get deleted. You can also leave don't delete any messages, but I always like to delete messages from spammers that I have on the server. That way nobody accidentally clicks anything that they shouldn't. In fact, I'm actually going to say this is a compromised or hacked account, because it's more than just spam. This is clearly trying to give someone a virus. I'm going to click ban. So, unfortunately, this doesn't go through and clean out all of these notifications that I have unread messages, even after it has deleted all of those messages. So I have to go back through and check to make sure there's nothing else in here. But that's how you mainly ban people, is by finding them, right-clicking them, and banning them. Now, the alternative here is you can go into your server settings, and you can go into your members list. And like, let's say, Ben, you want to get rid of Ben. So you look for Ben's name, and let's say, just for the sake of argument, that like Benjamin CL is the Ben I'm trying to find. I can now right-click him, and I can ban him from this menu, or kick him, or whatever I want to do. You can go to the members list in your server and search for people, especially if you know their names specifically, to make changes. Like you can change their roles by hovering over the roles menu. You can, ignore them, change their nickname, block them, check their profile, all that stuff directly from this menu of where all of your members of your server are kept. So anyway, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to ban people on Discord. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye!